Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we discuss a lot of interesting Forex topics. We talk about Forex indicators, we talk about Forex strategies, we talk about Forex platforms, we talk about a whole lot of topics that are related to Forex. So if you are not yet subscribed, you might want to do that now, unless if you want to miss out. Okay, then all right. And then if you've not hit your notification bell, you might want to do that now also. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us get right into what we have for this video. Okay, in this video, we are going to be discussing the Precision Trend Histogram Indicator. All right, now this indicator is a simple if indicator, but it is also effective, right? Simplicity does not mean that it's not going to be effective, right? So it's a simple indicator and it's still an effective indicator at the same time. It is a custom indicator, so you know what to do, right? You have to download it and you have to add it to your indicators library for the MetaTrader platform, and you have to restart your MetaTrader terminal before you'll be able to locate it on, when you go to insert an indicator. Okay, so as we can see, this indicator displays histogram bars in the indicator window. Okay, it's quite straightforward. It's quite straightforward. The signals are straightforward. This indicator can help you to to gauge momentum, right? To identify the prevailing trend. Okay, the indicator plots histogram bars below your chart, as you can see, and it uses both green and red bars to represent bullish trends for the green and bearish trends for the red, right? Okay, so now this intuitive visual design makes it a nice indicator. It's visually appealing. It gives you signals based on visual representations and all of that. Now this indicator also works on any time frame. All right, and in as much as it works on any time frame, I'm going to recommend using it on longer time frames, okay, in order to filter out false signals, because the indicator is going to be more effective on higher time frames. Okay, if you're using it on maybe the 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 minute time frame, you might get more false signals compared to the higher time frames. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm going to recommend using it on higher time frames. All right, now how do you get signals with this indicator? Basically, when the indicator brings out green histogram bars consistently, it shows a buy trend. All right, as we can see, consistently, you can see these histogram bars kept displaying throughout this buy move. As you can see, throughout the buy move, we had the green histogram bars. And then in this case, we can see this was a pullback, right? Because the reason why this is a pullback is because you can see that we had a larger bullish move, right? So this was still a bull trend. It was still a bull trend. So this signal here was a sell signal, but the price was just in a pullback phase. Okay, so if you want to trade with this indicator, you can actually decide to trade the pullbacks, or you can decide to trade the impulsive moves in a trend. Whichever case, just make sure you apply caution and make sure you use good risk to reward ratios, right? So when the indicator brings out at least 2 to 3 bars of the same color, all right, the reason why I said 2 to 3 bars is so that you can confirm that that move is valid. All right, so that it's not just a minor move. So we can see that we had about, let's say we had waited for 2 bars to form or 3 bars to form, then this would have been an ideal place to enter a buy trade, right? And then for our stop loss, it would have been just below the previous swing low. And then for our take profit, we can decide to use resistant levels for our take profit, or we can decide to just wait for the first red bar to form, right, before exiting our buy trade. But one of the limitations of waiting for the opposite signal from the Precision Trend Histogram Indicator is that before the signal displays, you might have already given back some profits to the market. So imagine if you had entered a buy trade around here and you are supposed to exit here, but you waited for the red bar to form. It means you would have exited somewhere around here, right? But for you to, get confirmation that that bullish move is over, then you can actually decide to wait for the precision trend histogram to bring a red bar, and then you can confirm your exits with trend lines. For example, this is a bullish move, right? So we ought to be seeing higher highs and higher lows, but finally we had a breakout from this trend line. So this was an evidence that this particular bullish move was over because of this breakout. So, and you can see that the breakout coincided with the display of a red histogram bar. All right, so this confirmation would have validated the exit signal, okay, the exit from the buy trade. All right, so it's important to actually have confirmations. You can also use other indicators to confirm both your entries and your exits. All right, now let us look for a sell example. We can see that right after we had a bullish move, a sell move commenced, right? A bearish move commenced, and you can see that the precision trend histogram indicator gave us a sell signal around here, and that coincided with this breakout. As you can see, there was a breakout from this bullish move, right? This trend line, this bullish trend line, you can see it was indicating dynamic support, and there was a breakout from it. There was even a retest, as you can see here. There was a retest, and right after that retest, we'd have considered entering a sell, and then we can set our stop loss above the breakout level if you want to have a tight stop loss. And then for our take profits, you can actually decide to wait for a green bar to form. So if you are waiting for a green bar to form, it means that if you had entered a sell here, we are still going to be in that sell trade up till now. Okay, so once you get your exit confirmation, then you can go ahead and exit your sell trade. All right, so this indicator is very easy to use. Now let us talk about risk management very briefly. Risk management is very, very important irrespective of the strategy that you are using. Okay, it's important that you calculate your lot sizes before you even enter the trade, and calculate your potential loss and potential profits before you even enter the trade. All right, it is very important so that you would know what to expect ahead of time. All right, and when doing your calculations, make sure that you don't risk more than 2% of your account balance in one single trade. Okay, it's not a wise decision, all right, in the long run. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.